Good morning, everybody. Let's talk about what was Hurricane Beryl. This is now Tropical Storm Beryl. It's in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. There is Florida. There's the Gulf Coast, and it bends around the Tampa, and all of this is Mexico here. So there it is, 60-mile-per-hour winds right now. It's probably going to stay a tropical storm for a day or so here, but these waters are warm. I wouldn't be surprised if it strengthens again. By the time we get to Sunday evening, it's still a tropical storm. And now, instead of making landfall in northern Mexico, it's going further and further up the Texan coast, or the Texas coast, maybe making landfall somewhere around or just north of Corpus Christi, probably late Sunday night into early Monday, and it may strengthen back to a Category 1, which would be some 80-mile-per-hour winds, maybe 90-mile-per-hour winds there, and then it becomes extratropical or subtropical as it moves into northeastern Texas. But that's going to bring a lot of rain, maybe 10, 12 inches or more of rain to that area. We'll continue to monitor that situation over the next few days. Nothing on radar now for us. We do have the chance of a shower or a rumble of thunder cropping up here away from Lake Michigan this afternoon. Most of us won't see that, but there is about a 20 or 30% chance we see some of those pop-up showers this afternoon, but they'll be gone in time for any of the fireworks displays tonight. Our temperatures are in the low to mid 60s out there, 62, 63, 64 across the area, 63 in Grand Rapids and Sparta, 64 in Whitehall and Fremont, it's 62 in Hart. So we're starting with some cloud cover this morning. I was just looking at the first few images of visible satellite imagery, which I can only see as the sun comes up. There's a fair amount of cloud cover stocked in across the area. We should begin to poke some holes in that and break some of that up as we get into the later morning and the afternoon. And then as we start to try to heat up, which isn't going to be that much, we'll only get into the mid-70s today. We may see a passing shower or a rumble of thunder as well. Out on Lake Michigan, there's no small craft advisories, no beach hazard risk. Waves at their highest today this afternoon, running at about 1 to 3 feet with a northwest wind at 10 to 15 knots. Those are your Lake Michigan water temperatures in the respective cities. So here's our future track map. You can see all the cloud cover. We should kind of erode some of that cloud deck, but there still may be a pop-up shower or a rumble of thunder in the inland locations today. That's out of here after the dinner hour. We'll see clear to partly cloudy skies overnight. On Sunday, there may see some residual cloud cover, some dying showers trying to get in here. I think we stay dry, and I would expect a little more sunshine on Sunday than I do today. Warm front's going to lift on through the area, and this next system is going to arrive as we get into Monday. That'll be our next best chance of maybe a little more widespread or prolonged shower or thunderstorm activity for both Monday and Tuesday. That's reflected in our 7-day forecast. 76 today with a chance of a shower or rumble of thunder. 82 tomorrow. Monday, that next storm system moves in. 85, a little more humid, maybe a shower or thunderstorm. 79, a shower or thunderstorm possible on Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday next week. Status quo, where we should be. Seasonable temperatures, low, maybe mid-80s, and no real big heat, no severe weather threat. So that's always nice to see that in West Michigan in the summertime. That's our forecast. It's 6:47.